This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, ABRP, Elbilmek, Kempower and EB5. Yo, what's up? This is Kia EV5. It's a big beast from the east. Seems to be similar size as the Model Y, really. And yes, should be spices, should be boxy. We're gonna test the banana boxes, see how much space we have. First, check out the front. Wow, well, it has an okay size. Let's go higher, okay. It has okay size front, but it's mainly for the cable, which is very convenient. But let me show you here. Banana box to scale, it would almost fit, but doesn't really fit. And in the back, we have more right lift gate, fairly big trunk, and wait, I think you can adjust the seats here. Yeah, let me see, how do we do this again? Oh yeah, here. So you can go laid back or more upright. Not sure how much upright you want to go. Interesting design on the trunk. The subwoofer is in here and in there a little bit, not totally flat. We have these hooks that can be moved. And then what is this? There's supposed to be a third row here. See, it's like a car, or I don't know. And then we have vehicle to load here. Wait, how is this? I need to slide it. There, vehicle to load there. Oh, are you happy to see me? And then here, open the lid. Oh yeah. Wait, can we take it out? Oh yes, we can take it out. We're gonna take it out, of course. And then here, open up a nice deep well. So I move fairly forward. You can even go more, but then that becomes more church bench. Or just a tiny ski opening. What the hell? Maybe they have small skis in Korea. And then here we have, wait, is this, okay, take it out. Some stuff here, yeah, nice space. Wait, what the heck is this thing? Some kind of weapon? Okay, right here, okay. Now we maximize the space here. Okay, round one in the trunk. And man, wait, where is it? There. What the heck, man? When I put in the banana boxes here, I get the impression that when the Kia designers, they design this car, they look at the banana box shape and then they design the car based on the banana boxes. Because look here how well it fits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is remarkably good. Most SUVs, they would take around 7 to 8 boxes. Some goes to maybe 9. 11 is mind-blowingly good. Okay, now let's fold the seat and try again. Okay, as always, we try to put as many boxes as possible in here. Not sure if I can open the door without things moving around too much. Oh, I can, okay. So, yeah. As most SUVs, it doesn't have that much leg room, so you see you have to put it standing, well, you can't lay it flat. And then this car doesn't have any sunroof, but they still managed to pack it really well. This boxy shape makes it suitable for banana boxes. Okay, let's turn off the pitch and start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25,
26, 27. Well, this is actually on par with Model Y, or the Xpeng G6, or maybe the Q6 e-tron. I was expecting more because it looks so boxy, but then I realized that this is only 4.6 meters long. Model Y and G6 and many of the other cars that can take 27 boxes, they're usually almost 4.8 meters long. So here you get 20 centimeters shorter, a little bit higher, and you still get plenty of space. So actually that makes sense for urban environment. Yeah. So that's going to be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.